Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Elan Festoon Lights in white. Let's get going. So in the box you have the instructions, the solar panel and the 20 festoon bulbs. There's also a stake to put the solar panel into the ground. Now, the new bulb design features a small hole at the bottom of the bulb to allow any water. There's two lighting modes on this light and an on-off switch at the back. To turn the lights on, all you have to do is press the on-off button, and to change the mode, just press the mode button. As soon as you've turned them on, all you have to do is wait for darkness. The solar panel has a dusk sensor, which means that it's going to be charging up during the day, and then as soon as it detects darkness, the lights are going to automatically turn themselves on and run for up to 10 hours. So this is mode 1 on the lights, and mode 2 is this lovely flashing mode. So inside the solar panel, there is a replaceable, rechargeable AA battery. And these 20 festoon bulbs sit on 9.5 meters of string. There's 50 centimeters of cabling between each bulb, and between the solar panel and the first bulb, there's 2 extra meters of string. So it is worth mentioning that unlike the Lumify range, this solar panel is integrated and can't be detached from the lights and charged. If you have any additional questions about this light or any of the lights we sell, please comment them down below and we will get back to you with the answer. These lights are perfect to transform any outdoor space and create that lovely festival vibe. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one.